It's Wednesday. It's video time again. In this video, we're going to open a box. Okay guys, welcome back. Don't forget, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to turn on your notifications. Don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section below. That's the word I was looking for. So yes, at the moment Scarlett is still off the road. She is in fact having a central nervous system transplant, and I'm having a central nervous system breakdown. That's the joys of owning a VFR. Yeah, so as you're aware, there's issues with her electrical system. So in the meantime, I thought I'm going to spend some money and buy some cool things. So here we have a box. Now the question is, what's inside this box? Well, I'm hoping something really cool's inside this box, and I'm hoping it's going to really be good. He says, wheezing like nothing, because my sister has an infestation of bloody caterpillars that cause me to have problems with my asthma. So let's get inside this box then, shall we? Now I will say, did I buy them? Yes, I bought them from eBay. I did buy these from eBay, and I will leave a link in the description below as to what these are. Any guesses? That's pretty cool. The box says Savage. So there we go. The box says Savage. That's worrying. Could this be another chase on two wheels where I've been sent a breeze block instead? I can't believe he got sent 2 boxes of bricks. That's bad. If you don't know what I mean, I'll link to those videos. Actually, they're quite interesting to see. Bear in mind, he actually opens one on camera and it's full of boxes. But anyway, here we are. So are you ready? Let's open this and see what's inside. What's inside? Oh, look at that. Oh, actually, I'm well impressed with that. I am well impressed. We have a bag of bolts. Anybody got any ideas here and now? I want to know, do you have any idea what this is? Leave a comment in the comment section below if you know exactly what this is and the time you worked out what it is. If not, well, what can I say? Anyway, so we have a bag of bolts. We have what looks like some sort of clamp. We have 2 of those. There's another one buried down inside here. He says trying to get it out. In fact, actually, I wonder if that will come out. Let's see if this, and it does look like it will come out. I've got to say, I'm well impressed. Considering the price I paid for these, which, do you know what, at the moment, I really can't remember what the price was. I'd have to look it up. I know they weren't that expensive. Oh, packaging, I've got to say, I'm well impressed with the packaging, he says. Getting tape on his hands. So impressed that I can't even get this bugger out. There we go. Got it out. So yeah, so that is that, whatever that is. It's a clamp. It's obviously a clamp, isn't it? And this is obviously a clamp as well. So they go together like so. Which is pretty obvious, really, isn't it? Any more guesses what it is? And then we have a shiny piece here. A shiny piece here. Oh, we've got 2 shiny pieces here. We've got 2 shiny pieces here. So we got, basically, they look like this. And we've got one of these and, oh god, one of these. So, and then we have these with some little plasticky bits inside as well, which I will take out. Have you worked out what it is yet? There we go. Let's get rid of, oh god, that's the levy because it's got that in it. Let's get rid of that. Have you worked out what it is yet? Well, I'll give you a hint, shall I? I'll give you a subtle hint, he says. Yes, it's some clip-ons, but these are no ordinary clip-ons. These are, believe it or not, they're advertised as Pro Caken. But the thing here, I'm guessing they go into the ends. One thing I need to work out is whether I can get handlebar weights, because I've just realised that I need handlebar weights for my bike. So this is a adjustable version of this. Now it's advertised as a stunt clip-on. It's advertised as a Pro Caken, which I'll link down. Clip-on, slip-on, clip-on. And it's got, now, the interesting thing is it's got two of this. There's no instructions in the box, so that's the only downside of it. There's no instructions in the box. And I'm guessing that there's a reason why we have two of those, which that's an upright. Now, does that mean then that this goes in there somehow as well? Yes, it does. It must do. So what I need to do is get an image of said... Oh, you can see that, can you? So get an image of said clip-on. That's the word I'm looking for. Clip-on. My God, my words today are absolutely useless. The purpose of buying this is because I need to adjust my handlebars. So basically, I need to adjust these to a much more comfortable position. So looking at this, I can either have them just in there like that, so it's adjustable that way, and that, or I can have them in there as well, that in there, and it's adjustable in all sorts of directions, which looks pretty cool. The only kind of, now I would have expected these to have been a little bit more kind of spliney in order to grip on properly, so that's the only thing I'm a bit concerned about. One of the main reasons that I've bought it is, as you can see here, I've got this device here, which is, this is the left hand side. If you haven't worked it out, this is the left hand side. So I've got the handlebar, I've got the hand grip, which is the heated hand grip, or Oxford hand grip. I've got a weight on the end, as all Hondas do. And I did have a Honda that I rode without bar weight. It was horrible. I have the, obviously, turn signal, horn controls there. And here, as I said, this is my Bluetooth remote control. Now here was my clutch lever. So my clutch lever. And because this is a Honda VFR, it's got a hydraulic clutch here. But if you look at this, I'm hoping... now I was hoping that would be longer, but it actually looks like it's the same length. So that does actually look like the same length, which is a... although saying that, that's measuring it with the bar end on. So don't forget the bar on these, the bar end's slightly different. Because that's not going all the way in. In fact, if I can unscrew that, which I deliberately undid. So if I pull that off, eventually, such a long screw, because the weight actually goes all the way down inside here. So the actual end's inside there. So it is actually longer, because it would come to there. And that was the whole purpose of actually getting it. So it was having it that little bit longer. But the simple reason is that I can move things up. And also because the fact that I've got some new heated hand grips, which I'm going to fit on when Scarlett gets her proper wiring harness, not the temporary wiring harness that she has got at the moment. So yeah, and that means then I want to put this in between the two, the hand grip and here, so it's more easier, because obviously when you're riding it's a bit difficult with the turn indicators, getting used to this Bluetooth piece. So obviously I need to get this set up at some point. So what I'll do is I'll originally match the new one with the old one, and then once I've got them matched and I'm happy in that aspect, so height and everything, and then I will then adjust them as need be so that they fit on quite nicely. So there we go. As I said, yep, I will link into the description below so you can have a look and see how these go. But I'm quite impressed with these. I think these look pretty cool actually, especially if it goes like that, and as I say, like this. They're going to look pretty cool on the bike. They really are. There we go. And I've got to say, material quality. This is some pretty decent quality. I was not expecting this at all. I am well impressed, as you can tell. So there we are, guys. Thank you very much. Very short video. Well, at least I think it's a very short video. I'm not quite sure. Some new toys to go on to Scarlett for when she's better. I probably won't put these on until I actually do the proper full wiring harness. I haven't quite decided yet. I may change my mind. Looking at these now, I may change my mind. I may have to go out and play with them later and see what they look like after I've done everything. But anyway, thank you very much for watching. If you like the video, as I say, give it a thumbs up. I will catch you the next time. So it's arrivederci from me and arrivederci from the handlebars. Cheerio.